This is video 3 in the CashWaveHQ Passive Income Blueprint series, and today I'm revealing how I built a faceless YouTube channel that now earns me over $1,000 every single day. A system I wish I had known sooner. This isn't just another make money online promise. It's the real step-by-step blueprint that transformed my life. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of putting yourself out there on camera or simply doubted that you could generate real income without being in the spotlight, then this video is for you. I'm here to show you that you don't need to be an on-camera personality or tech wizard to build a profitable, automated income stream. In fact, by following these simple yet powerful strategies, you can create a system that runs in the background, generating money while you focus on other parts of your life. When I first started exploring online income, I was terrified of the idea of showing my face or even speaking on camera. The internet was full of influencers who seemed to have every tool and resource at their fingertips, and I felt like I was always a step behind. I tried countless methods to gain traction, uploading vlogs, experimenting with live streams, even attempting animated videos. But nothing brought the consistency I craved. Then it struck me. What if I could build a YouTube channel that didn't require me to expose my face or use my voice? That's when I discovered Faceless YouTube automation. I began by researching and testing out the strategies shared in a course called TubeMagic. This program laid out a clear roadmap on how to create content using a faceless model. Instead of focusing on personality-driven videos, it taught me how to build video content by using text overlays, stock footage, and voiceover software. I learned how to identify profitable niches that had enough audience demand but weren't oversaturated. Rather than trying to copy what every other creator was doing, I found a unique angle that played to my strengths. Leveraging AI tools and automation to create engaging, high-value videos without ever having to turn the camera on myself. The first step was selecting a niche that would resonate not only with viewers, but also with advertisers. I spent hours researching trending topics, keyword search volumes, and competitor strategies. I soon discovered that there was a strong demand for content related to making money online, passive income, and digital entrepreneurship, the very topics that had defined my own journey. With this solid foundation, I mapped out a content plan that involved regular uploads, each optimized for search and engagement. My goal was to create a consistent stream of videos that would build authority over time and, more importantly, generate revenue through ad placements and affiliate links. Once I had my niche and content plan in place, the next step was to streamline the entire production process. I turned to AI tools and automation systems that I had heard about in the CashWaveHQ community. Using tools like ChatGPT, I crafted compelling scripts that not only educated but also entertained. I then used Pictory to convert these scripts into engaging videos by combining high-quality stock footage, text overlays, and transitions. For voiceovers, I relied on 11 Labs, which provided natural-sounding narration that retained the professional yet friendly tone I wanted. By automating each part of the production process, I was able to create videos much faster and more efficiently than if I had done it all manually. Of course, no system is complete without effective monetization strategies. With my faceless YouTube channel up and running, I began to integrate affiliate marketing into my video descriptions. I promoted relevant courses and tools that I had used, like TubeMagic and TubeMagic, ensuring that every video not only provided valuable information, but also pointed my viewers to resources that could help them replicate my success. I remember my first breakthrough moment vividly. After several weeks of consistent uploads, one video finally hit the sweet spot. It started generating views steadily, and then, one morning, I opened my dashboard to find that video had earned me over $1,000 in ad revenue and affiliate commissions in a single day. That moment was a revelation. It proved that a faceless YouTube model could indeed be a powerful income stream. But the journey was far from linear. There were plenty of challenges along the way. In the early days, I spent many sleepless nights tweaking video titles, thumbnails, and SEO settings to understand what worked best. Sometimes, a video wouldn't perform as expected, and I had to analyze every aspect, from the script to the background music, to uncover the issue. I made mistakes, learned from them, and gradually refined my method. Each setback was a lesson, a stepping stone that made the eventual success even sweeter. And here's the most important thing. Every mistake I made was a lesson learned that you don't have to repeat. My failures became the blueprint for your success, so you can jump ahead and avoid the pitfalls I encountered. One of the game-changing moments was when I decided to invest in improving my thumbnails and on-screen graphics. I discovered that a compelling thumbnail could make all the difference in attracting viewers. Instead of generic images, I started designing thumbnails that featured bold text, engaging visuals, and clear calls to action. My faceless model was supported by dynamic visuals, bright yellow headlines, digital icons of AI, YouTube, and TikTok that together created a distinctive look that set my videos apart. I made sure that my CashWaveHQ brand was integrated seamlessly into the design, especially on my shirt and the thumbnails, to build credibility and create a memorable visual identity that viewers would immediately recognize. The success of my faceless YouTube system didn't stop at just ad revenue and affiliate links. As my channel grew, I realized that YouTube's algorithm favored consistent, high-quality content. This meant that every video I produced wasn't just a standalone success. It was part of a larger ecosystem that fueled my channel's growth. With each new upload, my overall channel authority increased, leading to more organic views and higher ad payouts. It became a virtuous cycle. Better content led to more views, which led to higher rankings, which then attracted even more subscribers. I built an engaged community of viewers who trusted me and looked forward to each new video. Throughout this journey, I remained committed to one core principle: consistency. I knew that to build a sustainable online income, I couldn't rely on a one-hit wonder. I had to create a system that delivered reliable, recurring revenue. I dedicated myself to uploading videos on a regular schedule, ensuring that my audience always had fresh content to engage with. This consistency not only boosted my channel's performance, but also established a strong relationship with my viewers. They knew that every week, without fail, I would provide them with actionable insights, tips, and strategies to build their own digital income streams. As my channel grew, I began to see the bigger picture. I wasn't just creating videos. I was building an entire ecosystem around the concept of automated digital income. I started integrating storytelling into my videos, sharing not only what worked, but also the challenges and emotional highs and lows of my journey. I made it a point to communicate that if I could go from being lost and confused to running a $1,000 a day system without ever showing my face, then you could do it too. My story wasn't unique. It was a testament to the power of persistence, smart work, and leveraging the right tools. By following the same blueprint, you can skip the countless hours of trial and error and get straight to the part where you build your own profitable system. One key element that made all of this possible was leveraging technology and automation to scale my efforts. I embraced AI across the board, from scripting to editing to voiceovers. These tools weren't just luxuries, they were necessities that allowed me to produce high-quality content at scale. With platforms like ChatGPT, I could generate ideas and scripts in a fraction of the time it would take to do it manually. Tools like Pictory and 11 Labs took over the heavy lifting of video production and narration, freeing me to focus on strategy and growth. This tech-driven approach allowed me to allocate my time more efficiently and invest in other areas of my business, knowing that my content engine was running on autopilot. The transformation I experienced is proof that you don't have to be an on-camera star or tech expert to succeed online. Instead, success is all about following a proven system, learning from past mistakes, and continuously improving. My Faceless YouTube channel is just one part of a larger system that includes affiliate marketing, short-form content, and automated email funnels, all designed to work in harmony. Each component reinforces the other, creating multiple streams of income that scale over time. And the best part? It's all replicable. Everything you see here is a blueprint that I've refined through years of experience. And I'm sharing it with you so that you can start building your own success, starting today. I want you to realize that while my journey wasn't perfect, every misstep and every small victory led me to this moment. I learned what works, and more importantly, what doesn't. I learned that consistency beats perfection, that systems beat random hustling, and that the right mindset can turn obstacles into opportunities. My successes have come from turning challenges into building blocks, and I want you to do the same. Your path might look a little different, but the core principles remain the same. Create a system that works for you, automate the hard parts, and always be willing to learn and adapt. So, if you've ever felt discouraged by the overwhelming amount of get-rich-quick advice out there, I want you to know that there's a better way. The way I built my income wasn't about luck or shortcuts. It was about taking a structured, systematic approach to online business. And Faceless YouTube, the $1,000 per day system I wish I knew sooner, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. I'm not just sharing my story. I'm giving you a comprehensive guide that you can follow step by step so you can build a faceless YouTube channel that becomes a reliable income machine. Before I wrap up this video, let me remind you of the incredible resources that helped me along the way. In the description below, you'll find links to TubeMastery, which taught me the essentials of faceless YouTube automation, and TubeMagic, the tool that streamlined my production process with ready-made templates and workflows. These programs were game changers for me. They provided the structure and support I needed to transform my content into cash. By leveraging these tools and following the proven steps, you can avoid the countless frustrations I endured and fast-track your journey to success. Now, as we wrap up this video, I want you to feel empowered and ready to take the next step. Remember, you don't have to figure it all out on your own. My story is the roadmap for your success. Every mistake I made, every challenge I faced, has been distilled into this system. A system that's designed to help you build a profitable, automated YouTube channel without ever having to show your face or let fear hold you back. If I can do it, so can you. In the upcoming video 4, we're going to dive even deeper into the nitty-gritty of YouTube automation. I'll break down how to pick your niche, script engaging videos using AI, and optimize every element to maximize views and revenue. Video 4 will be your guide to taking the theory you've learned in video 3 and turning it into a repeatable, scalable process that truly works. So make sure you're subscribed and have turned on notifications because you won't want to miss it. Thank you for watching video 3 in the CashWaveHQ Passive Income Blueprint series. Leave a comment below telling me your biggest obstacle when it comes to building content without showing your face. I'm here to help, and I read every comment. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful and share it with anyone who needs that extra push to get started. Your journey to a $1,000 per day income system starts with following a proven path. My path, which is now yours to claim. Stay tuned for video 4, where the magic of turning your ideas into a thriving YouTube channel continues. Let's build your digital income system together, one video at a time.